Want to make thousands of dollars every single month without ever showing your face on camera? Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% real. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to launch a faceless finance channel that earns insane RPMs, up to $30 to $50 per 1,000 views, and it's easier than you think. We're talking about tapping into one of the most lucrative niches on YouTube finance. Advertisers throw money at finance channels because they know they're reaching a motivated, engaged audience. And the best part? You can do this without any prior experience. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've dabbled in content creation before, this video is your roadmap to building a profitable asset that generates passive income. Let's go! First things first, let's talk money. Not all YouTube niches are created equal. Some niches just pay way more than others, and you guessed it. Finance is at the top of the food chain. Why is the finance niche such a goldmine? Because we're talking about things people are truly interested in. Making money, saving money, investing, and building wealth. Advertisers know this, and they're willing to pay a premium to get in front of this audience. Think about it. You've got credit card companies, banks, investment platforms, fintech apps. They're all fighting for attention, and they're willing to shell out big bucks to reach people who are actively searching for financial information. This means that as a finance creator, you're not just making videos, you're building a valuable asset. You're creating content that attracts high-paying ads, and that translates to serious earning potential for you. Now, we're not just talking about pennies here, we're talking about RPMs, or revenue per mille, which is how much money you make per 1,000 views. In the finance niche, you can realistically see RPMs of $30, $40, even $50 or more. Compare that to lifestyle channels or gaming channels where RPMs might be in the single digits. The difference is staggering. With a finance channel, you can earn significantly more with fewer views, which means you don't need to be a viral sensation to see real financial success. So, if you're serious about making money on YouTube, the finance niche is where it's at. It's a proven path to high earnings, and the demand for this content is only going up. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, the finance niche is huge. Where do I even begin? And you're right, it's a broad category. That's why it's crucial to choose a specific sub-niche that you're passionate about, and that has a hungry audience. The key is to find a balance between evergreen topics that will always be relevant and searchable keywords that people are actively typing into YouTube. Let's dive into some hot picks that are perfect for 2025 and beyond. 1. Passive income. Everyone dreams of making money in their sleep, right? This niche is all about exploring different ways to generate income without actively trading time for money. 2. Side hustles. This is a massive niche with endless possibilities. From online gigs to creative ventures, you can cover a wide range of side hustles that can help people earn extra cash. 3. Investing for beginners. A lot of people are intimidated by investing, but everyone wants to grow their money. This niche breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand language. 4. Personal finance hacks. Who doesn't love saving money and getting the most out of their finances? This niche is all about practical tips and tricks to manage money effectively. 5. Make money online. This is a broad but incredibly popular niche. You can focus on specific online business models, freelance gigs, or strategies for generating income online. Remember, the more niche you go, the more targeted your audience will be, and the higher your RPM potential. For example, instead of just investing, you could niche down to investing in real estate for beginners or dividend investing for passive income. Do your research, see what's trending, and choose a niche that genuinely excites you. Passion goes a long way in this game. Here's where things get really interesting. You might be thinking, Graham, I'm not comfortable showing my face on camera, or I don't have the best speaking voice, and you know what? It doesn't matter. That's the beauty of building a faceless finance channel in 2025. You can leverage the power of AI tools to create high-quality content without ever having to step in front of a camera or even use your own voice. Let me introduce you to your new best friends. 1. ChatGPT. This AI-powered writing tool is a game changer. You can literally tell ChatGPT to write a YouTube script about investing for beginners, and it will generate a compelling script in seconds. It's like having a personal scriptwriter on demand. 2. 11 Labs and Lovo AI. These platforms offer incredibly realistic AI voiceovers. You can choose from a wide range of voices, accents, and tones to find the perfect fit for your brand. No more awkward recordings or expensive voiceover artists. 3. Pictory and InVideo AI. These video editing tools are designed for creators of all levels. You can easily create engaging videos using stock footage, animations, text overlays, and more. Drag, drop, and upload. It's that simple. The best part? These AI tools are constantly evolving and becoming more sophisticated. The quality of AI-generated content is mind-blowing, and it's only getting better. So ditch the excuses and embrace the faceless revolution. You can create a profitable finance channel without ever revealing your identity, and the results will speak for themselves. Okay, so you've got your niche and you're armed with AI tools. Now let's talk about creating content that actually gets views and keeps people hooked. First and foremost, focus on creating search-based titles that directly address what people are searching for on YouTube. Think like a viewer. What questions are they asking? What problems are they trying to solve? For example, instead of a vague title like investing tips, go for something specific and attention-grabbing like how to invest $1,000 like a pro, or 5 investing mistakes that are costing you money. Next up, your thumbnail is your first impression. Make it count. Use bold, eye-catching colors, big fonts, and don't be afraid to use dollar signs and other attention-grabbing elements. When it comes to content formats, stick with what works. Listicles, top 10 ways to make money online, 5 best credit cards for beginners, comparisons, Robinhood versus Webull, which investing app is right for you, how-to guides, how to start investing in real estate, how to create a budget that works. And here's a golden rule: hook your viewers in the first 10 seconds. YouTube's algorithm loves it when people watch a significant portion of your video. Start with a strong intro that grabs their attention and makes them want to stick around. Finally, consistency is key. Aim to upload 2 to 3 videos per week to keep the momentum going and keep your audience engaged. Now let's talk about the fun part, making money. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for YouTube's partner program and start earning ad revenue. But here's the thing. Don't rely solely on ad revenue. There are so many other ways to monetize your finance channel and create multiple streams of income. 1. Affiliate marketing. This is huge in the finance niche. Partner with relevant companies and promote their products or services in your videos. You'll earn a commission for every sale you refer through your unique affiliate links. 2. Digital products. Create simple but valuable digital products that solve your audience's problems. This could be a budget tracker, an investment checklist, or a guide to starting a side hustle. 3. Ebooks and courses. If you're passionate about a specific topic, consider creating an ebook or a mini course that provides more in-depth information and guidance. The beauty of these monetization methods is that they can generate passive income. Once you create the product or affiliate link, it can continue to earn you money over time. Some finance channels are making $10,000 or more per month just from affiliate marketing alone. The potential is there, but you have to be strategic and provide real value to your audience. Alright, I'm gonna let you in on some bonus secrets that can significantly boost your channel's CPM and help you earn more money. 1. Provide real value. Don't just regurgitate information that's already out there. Put your own spin on it, share personal experiences, and offer actionable advice that your viewers can actually use. 2. Master keyword research. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to identify high-volume keywords related to your niche. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your titles, descriptions, and tags. 3. Create longer videos. Videos that are 8 minutes or longer have the potential to earn more ad revenue because YouTube can insert more ads. Just make sure your content is engaging and valuable throughout. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a sense of community. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to stick around and watch your videos. 5. Promote your channel. Don't be afraid to share your videos on other platforms, collaborate with other creators, and get your content out there. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Be patient, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Starting a faceless finance channel in 2025 is easier than ever, and it's one of the smartest ways to earn passive income online. Don't wait. Start now. And this time next year, you could be earning thousands every month while sipping coffee in your pajamas. The tools are at your fingertips, the audience is waiting, and the earning potential is limitless. Take action. Start researching your niche, explore those AI tools, and get ready to build your own faceless finance empire. Comment below if you want my free Faceless YouTube starter kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash the bell, because more money-making secrets are dropping